Hey Shooby Doodlers, well I got 6 days left to get my special delivery book artwork done, but today I had to take the day off. The car needed a service, so I took it into Hereford, and in fact I did the same thing last year and went and did a whole day drawing and painting. Click the link and go and see that. And today we just kind of ambled around the place, and then we ended up sitting in the cathedral precincts, and I just sort of started sketching the people there and just sitting in the sunshine. Now, yesterday's video was all about sexism and kind of how I was trying to kind of cut a line with the story of special delivery by not kind of upsetting anybody, and of course that upsets everybody. So we get one comment. Chaser Kitty says, "Oh my god, OMG, please ditch the politically correct rubbish. Kids just want to read a book and go into another world." Well, it's not as simple as that, because the book that I'm writing isn't really for kids. It looks like a kid's book, but it really isn't. And in fact, any picture book that you do for kids is going to be read by adults. And a successful picture book has an awful lot in there for the adults. And you have to write the whole thing on 2 levels. You have to illustrate on 2 levels. And it's the adults have to read it again and again and again and again, especially a successful book. So they have to enjoy it themselves. And I just don't want to write something that is going to kind of rub people up the wrong way, and or to make people feel excluded as well. And so this book is really for very new families and families who haven't even got their first baby yet. So it's about having babies, and it's about having brand new babies, and everybody at that stage is a bit loved up and full of hormones as well, so you don't really want to go around intentionally upsetting anybody with kind of stuff that might grate in the book. So when we got back to pick up the car, then we had to wait a little while in their little waiting area, where one of the sons of the people who worked there was sat there intently playing a game, and so I don't think he knew I was sketching him. But he kept wriggling about like it was uncomfortable that he was being sketched. But I think he was just uncomfortable and wriggling about because of the excitement of the game, in fact. And so when I got home, here I am painting the colours in, which is not really easy when you're holding a phone at the same time. So that's all I have to say today. If you've got questions and stuff you want to ask about special delivery and about writing children's books, stuff like that, illustrating, put them in the comments box below. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. You take care now. Bye-bye.